These workshops for exchange among OITBs, it's actually becoming a tradition among the ecosystem. This is the third edition that we are organizing. Usually we organize it in parallel with big events organized within the aim of the European Commission initiatives. This one, we are mainly focused on the future of the ecosystem. The objectives of the workshop is threefold. So first we would like to share experiences and learnings from first and second generation OITBs, those OITBs that have started already in 2019 and 2020.
We were what we call the first generation of OITBs, so we were the Guinea pigs here, and we didn't have any guidance or we couldn't learn from anyone, and we learned a lot during the project. So I think it's extremely useful that the new generation OITBs can learn from our mistakes.
These Open Innovation Testbeds workshops, I think they're very important because you get to know the others. That's what we did last time or the time before. But I think it's very, very essential to also experience their problems and to discuss what can be done better, what is the best way of working, what does not work out. So I think this openness in these discussions is very, very essential and important.
We are a new Open Innovation Testbed, so we started just 5 months ago. So the main thing is to learn at first from the experience of the earlier OITB. So therefore the exchange is very, very important. And the second thing is that probably we will only be successful if we work together and offer a complete solution to the SME and work out a common business strategy, and to make sure that we attract these small and medium enterprises that will build a production in Europe.
Other partners from other OITBs on their experiences, how we can face a special legal aspects, how we can improve our dissemination to catch especially small and medium enterprises.
This workshop really helped to understand better what other people is actually doing and try not to solve the same issues that can be solved by collaboration.
We are also discussing potential means of collaboration between Open Innovation Testbeds, how to organize them, if it's meaningful to cluster them according to the topics they focus on, discussing concrete topics that are really challenging to put Open Innovation Testbeds and the single entry places in force.
Vision for the future of this OITB ecosystem is, I think, we should combine, we should focus. I know there are lots of different topics, some dealing with materials, some dealing with medicine approaches, and I think we cannot combine all of them, but we can at least try to focus on maybe having several clusters and then having a common approach to be sustainable for the future.
And what is actually happening is that we are building bonds. So we are really bonding with partners from different countries of the European Union and associated countries, and in a way that those relationships or these ways of working or collaboration, this will stay.
I think at the end, for the ecosystem, different OITBs will join forces together sectorially wise to make a stronger OITB that can give services to a wider variety of public and a better service.
But of course the future will be marked by how efficient we can be in reaching customers, in reaching clients, and of course in offering a competitive service that is recognized in terms of quality, and the customers are eager to pay for that. I think that this is possible, and it will be even more possible if we continue working in this integration of services and getting bigger, let's say, from different OITBs into the future.